Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn how to format and install Windows 10 Professional in your computer. What is the computer installation? This is how to connect the computer before use, for example install it with operating system, driver, MS Office, Adobe and so on, and connect it also to the keyboard, monitor, mouse and to the power either direct or indirect. First, before we continue with installation, we need to connect the computer to the monitor, keyboard and mouse and to the power through UPS or direct to the main supply. After that we switch on the computer and insert the CD which contain operating system and continue. What is the formatting of a computer? Is the process of remove or delete software, program or data in a computer. For example, we format operating system due to virus and replace it with another operating system, or format data and replace it with new data. There are many methods of formatting computer, either through the disk by go to my computer on your desktop and erase old data from it. If your computer has affected by virus, the best way to format, I will explain later. How to format the computer. The following are the steps to follow when you format your computer. Step 1. Insert the CD-ROM or DVD-ROM or USB flash which has operating system like Windows 10 Professional and insert it in your computer and restart your computer. You can download the setup from Microsoft website, or you can check the setup program from Google search and download it. Step 2. After restart your computer, then press F2 immediately for setup your computer and then choose BIOS setting, then in system configuration choose SATA operation and select data or AC mode and then apply and exit. Step 3. After that the system will restart again and immediately press F12 if you use Dell computer and F9 if you use HP computer. For other user of computer, you can check your manufacturer website for BIOS setting of your computer. To boot using CD-ROM, then after the boot menu appear, select the CD-ROM to boot up operating system and then press enter, then the computer will ask you to press any key to boot from CD. This process will be also used when using USB flash drive. Follow the same procedure. Step 4. Now let's start the installation of Windows 10 Pro in your computer. After the Windows setup start, you will see the following dialog box as shown. You need to press the next button as shown to start the installation of Windows 10. Steps 5. The setup will start and ask you to install Windows. Click the Install Now button to proceed with the installation. Step 6. Then the setup will ask you to enter the product activation key. To continue with the installation, you will need to choose the skip button, and if you have the serial number for activation of your product, you can enter it. Step 7. Then the dialog box appears as shown. You will need to select the Accept License Terms box and then click Next to continue. Step 8. The following dialog box will appear, ask you to upgrade the Windows or do custom installation of Windows. You must select Custom Install of Windows as shown. Step 9. In the following dialog box appear, click New to create the new partition as shown. Then after click New, choose any partition you want and then click Apply and then OK to continue as shown here. After Apply, select the partition number 2 to install Windows as shown. If you do not want the partition you create, you can choose the option shown to the dialog box, which is Delete, Format. You can delete the partition and start new partition, or format the partition to create new disk. This will look later. Now click Next to continue with Windows setup as shown. The setup now will continue. Wait till to finishing up. After the setup, restart the computer as shown. Wait for Windows to get ready as shown. Step 10. After the dialog box appears shown, Select Do this later. Then continue to another process. Step 11. Choose Express setting as shown. Step 12. Select I am own it, if it is your PC and if the it is company selected as shown. For now I will select I own it. Then click Next. Step 13. Skip this step. Step 14. Create an account for this PC. You can enter your name or any name you want your PC to have as shown. You can enter password if you want, then click Next. Step 15. Then wait for the installation to finish. Install Windows as shown. After Windows installation, your computer will look like this. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.